Lyra's got the zoomies, hasn't she, Marvel? She's almost as big as you. Oh, maybe not. What's she doing? She's too quick. She's too quick. You can't get down there. You're too big. She's got a little rat run. Because Lyra's about the size of a rat. Where is she? There she is. Go on, Lyra. Get Marvel. Go on, get him. And then hide where he can't get you. You look. Marvel, be nice. You can't get her. You can't get her. You're too big to go down there. This is hilarious. It's been going on for about half an hour. You're both going to go night-night soon, aren't you? Where is she? I saw her. Oh, she's under me now. Or is she? No, she's not. There she is. You can't catch Lyra, can you, Marvel? Lyra, Marvel can't catch you. He's not fast enough. He's a big, lolloping, big, giant fellow. And you're a sprightly little girl. She's off. What are you going to do about it, Marvel? I just heard her go out the cat flap. What are you going to do about it? You're going to have a rest. I guess not. Where did Marvel go? I was waiting outside. Oh my goodness. Where did Marvel go? Where did Marvel go? Lyra, where are you? You are really tearing the crap out of Marvel. You really are, and I love it. I love it. Oh, poor Marvel. He's such a gentle giant. He really is a gentle giant. It's not fair. He gets beaten up by Lyra. Where is he? He's not in here. He gets beaten up by Ninja. They're both small cats. Marvel is a giant. And he can't win a battle. Lyra! Lyra, where are you? Please don't get me. Please don't get me. Where are you? Are you hiding under here? I can see you. I can see you. Don't get Marvel. Don't get Marvel. Oh, it's so funny. Excuse me. Hello, Marvel. Hello. Where are you going? Hello, you lot. You are far more peaceful than this lot. Where are you going? Where are you going? Hey, Lyra. Lyra. Marvel's in the hallway. I'm glad you don't speak English. Because I just grassed you up, mister. Know what you're looking at. Oh, wait a minute. That was my shadow. Marvel, you are useless. I'm sorry, I didn't mean that. You're not useless. You're beautiful. You're an awesome big brother. Lyra? There you are. Yeah, there you are. Leave him alone, will you? Leave that little man alone. I'm not in this fight. Lyra, get away from me. I'm not in this fight. I'm not in this fight. Get away from me. Get off. Stay away from me. You're mental. She's got no fear. There's no one there. Marvel's behind you. Have you forgotten who you've been attacking? Poor Marvel. Poor Marvel. Lyra beats you up. Tiny little Lyra beats you up. Little Ninja beats you up. And all you want to be is left alone, don't you, mister? Don't you, Marvel? You poor man, you. Hello. I love you. I love you. I don't beat you up. I tickle your toes. Barking spider. Barking spider too. Hello. Hello, beautiful man. Don't worry. Lyra? I know you're not listening to me. Leave Marvel alone. She won't. She won't leave you alone. It's because she loves you. She loves you. Get off me. Don't you come anywhere near me. Beat Marvel up. Don't beat me up. Beat Marvel up. Not me. I never said that, Marvel. Oh no, here we go. Lyra, calm down. You're gonna eat my shirt. Eat my shirt. Where's Ninja? Where's Ninja? Where are you going? Where are you going? Far away from Lyra, that's for sure. Look what you've done. Look what you've done, Lyra. You've upset Marvel. Never mind. You'll be at it again in about an hour. No, or now. Go on then. Go on then, get him. Go on then. Lyra, get Marvel. Lyra, get Marvel. Sorry, Marvel, I didn't say that. I didn't say that. Marvel, get Lyra. He's getting too big for the cat flap. We've looked into buying a new one because he can hardly fit through that one. You can fit through it. Marvel has trouble getting through that cat flap. You can get through that one though. That's a cat flap. That's a dog flap. We need a dog flap here so Marvel can get through it. Oh dear. When would you stop growing, Marvel? I hope you don't. You beautiful boy, you. You beautiful boy, you. I mean, it's not fair, is it? Getting bullied by tiny little Ninja and tiny little Lyra. It's not fair, is it, you big boy? Getting bullied. Those two little scroats. It's not fair. Go on, go out. It's a lovely day. It's a lovely day. Go out. Go over the back, hunt some mice, and stay away from Ninja and Lyra. Good boy. Good boy. Off you go. Be in peace. Until later.